Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to class 7. Today we will complete our unit 2 and we are going to do our exercise given at the end, which is about voices. Now question arises, what is voice? It is a new topic for all of you. So let's see what is meant by voice. Voice, it is the form of verb that tells whether the subject is doing an action or receiving an action. There are two kinds of voices. Number one is active voice. A verb is in the active voice when its form shows that the person or thing denoted by subject does something. When we find that the subject is doing something, that means it's active voice. And what is meant by passive voice? A verb is in the passive voice when its form shows that something is done to the person or thing denoted by the subject. And when something is done to the subject, it means it's a passive voice. Now look at the example. He writes a letter. He writes a letter, and look at the change, which is at the end, a letter is written by him. Another example which is given in your book, I play the piano well. Here we see I is the doer of action, it means it's subject. Play is verb, that is action word, and piano is object. Here we find that I is doing something, that means it's active voice. And the look at the change, the piano is well played by me. Here we see that something is received by the subject, it means is passive voice. To change a sentence from active to passive voice, following rules are to be kept in mind. Look at the example given in your book and we will see which changes have come in the sentences. The sentence is, the wrestler wins the match. Now divide this sentence into three parts. The wrestler means he is the subject or doer of any action, and wins is a verb that is action word, and object here is the match, which is receiver, he is receiving some action. Now if you can divide the sentence into three parts, subject, verb and object, now you are going to convert it into passive voice. Now look at the changes. The wrestler, which is the subject or doer, we can see that it is written at the end at the place of object, and match, which we have seen is object, it is written at the beginning of the sentence at the place of wrestler, and wins, which is the first form of verb, is converted into third form of verb, that is won, or is written before it and by before the wrestler. So we will look what are the rules of converting active voice into passive voice, which we have seen. Object changes into subject, subject changes into object, they both change their positions. First form or second form, they always change into third form. We always use by before every object, and keeping in view the tense used, helping verb is added with the main verb. Now look at this different helping verb are used in different tenses. Suppose we are doing our exercise about present indefinite tense, then different helping verb will be used. If it is about past indefinite, future indefinite or present perfect, different tenses we are going to use different form of different helping verbs, and for this we will practice in our different units. Now cases of pronoun. I will always be changed into me, we into us, he will be changed into him, she will be changed into her, and they will be changed into them. Now we will solve the exercise which is at the end of this chapter. That is, question is the change the given sentence into passive voice. Now this exercise is all about present indefinite tense, and if we are going to convert active voice into passive voice, we are going to use three helping verb: is, am, are. Is, am, are will be used in present indefinite tense. Now look at number 1. I like orange juice. Now what is I? I is subject, like is verb, and orange juice is object. Now convert it into passive voice. Orange juice is liked by me. Third form of verb, like. Liked is the third form of like, and by before object, and what is the I will be changed into me. Now what is the sentence would be like? Orange juice is liked by me. Number 2, Osama does exercise daily. Now convert it into passive voice. Exercise is done by Osama daily. Number 3, the little maid washes the clothes. Now convert it into passive voice. The clothes are washed by the little maid. Number 4, the students speak English. Now here students are subject, speak verb, and English object. Now look at passive voice. English is spoken by the students. Number 5, our country produces leather goods. Convert it into passive voice. Leather goods are produced by our country. Number 6, the butler serves the dishes. And how we are going to convert it? The dishes are served by the butler. Number 7, my tailor stitches good clothes. And how we are going to convert it? Good clothes are stitched by my tailor. Number 8, I prepare the conference report. The conference report is prepared by me. Look at it, number 9, teachers always praise good students. And how we are going to convert it into passive voice? Good students are always praised by teachers. Number 10, Mr. Amir makes good decision. And we are going to convert it. Good decision is made by Mr. Amir. Now in this example we have done the tense, present indefinite tense. In the next chapters we are going to learn how to convert past indefinite and future indefinite tense into passive voice. And for this you have to learn form of verb and try to practice all these voices at home so that you can have a clear concept. Thank you student. If you have any difficulty you can ask me.